Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and check Activation to see the specific error code reported. Note the code and any short message shown by Windows. Verify your device shows a digital license linked to your Microsoft account when possible. Confirm date, time, and time zone are correct because activation needs accurate system time. Connect to the internet over a stable network and then run the activation troubleshooter in settings when an activation error appears. For deeper details, use command prompt as admin and run slmgr/dlv to view license details. Re-enter the correct product key in settings to attempt immediate reactivation. Use the activation troubleshooter to automatically resolve common license conflicts and follow on-screen prompts. If you previously linked a digital license, sign in to link your digital license to your Microsoft account now. For command line rechecks, open command prompt as admin and run slmgr/auto to attempt online activation. If activation still fails, run slmgr/ipk followed by your product key to reinstall the key and then slmgr/auto again. Sign in to account. Microsoft. com/devices to confirm your digital license is associated with your device. If you recently changed major hardware like the motherboard, use the activation troubleshooter and the digital license link option. Keep your product key and proof of purchase and backup before a clean install or major hardware swap. Consider a clean install only after backing up files and drivers to avoid data loss and configuration issues. Contact Microsoft support for reactivation help when automated steps cannot resolve issues or when your device requires manual validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.